Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Long John Silver's app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Long John Silver's app is a convenient mobile platform that brings America's favorite seafood restaurant experience right to your fingertips. Available on both iOS and Android, it allows users to explore the full menu, customize orders, and place pickup or delivery requests at nearby locations. The app also features exclusive deals, digital coupons, and seasonal offers to help users save on their favorite meals, from crispy fish and chicken to hush puppies and sides. One of its main highlights is the streamlined ordering system. Users can easily reorder past meals, track their orders in real time, and schedule pickups ahead of time for faster service. The app also provides access to location-based offers, restaurant details, and nutritional information, making it simple to plan meals exactly how you want them. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many customers appreciate the clean layout, quick load times, and frequent promotions within the app. The integration of rewards and exclusive discounts adds extra value for frequent diners. However, some users have reported occasional bugs, such as slow updates, order delays, or GPS-based location errors when selecting restaurants. In summary, the Long John Silver's app may be worth using if you're a regular fan of their seafood meals and want easy access to online ordering, rewards, and exclusive discounts. However, if you prefer traditional ordering methods or face connectivity issues, it might feel less essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.